let's go. All
Wait,
right,
tell us what you're going to do first. Tell us the Easter egg hunt. Tell John what you're going to do. Easter egg hunt.
We're gonna hunt for eggs.
And what's today? Today is what day?
Everybody go.
Okay, ready? Go. Go. She got one. Quick, Sam.
That's all right.
She lost her hat. Look, everybody has their video here. I wish I had this treatment when I was this age.
Yeah. I got an egg. Oh, Eugene, you're doing good.
Here, Sam, you drop this one. Here's one. Put it in your...
Look at all mine eggs.
You're doing really good.
Sam, you missed one. Come back here. Right here, hurry up. Grab that one.
How many do you have?
Let me see. She went to show me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8. All right.
There, right there. No, right there.
No, Sammy here. Samantha, you're not...
Come back here.
There's her.
Millions of them over that way.
There's one. Over here. Here, look over here, Sam. I think there's one of the flowers.
I found one.
Yeah, I think Anna got that one. Sam, look over here.
Eggs.
Near the house.
Look near the gutter. There you go.
Full already.
How many do you have,
Full
Eugene?
already.
Sammy,
Let's see.
one more. Then Anna. All right, that's enough. Anna has to get the rest.
How many do you have?
That's enough, Sam.
I want
Is that all? All right, let's go in and I guess that's it.
Nicole, I got your stomach on camera. Oh, wait, let me get the date on. April 3rd.
Is that it, Tim?
Hey, John.
Okay, what do you got there? Hold on, open it slow. Where's the card at?
Right here. Can you see what it says?
Okay, come here, I'll read it to you. It says, to my niece. It says, you're somebody special. Okay, here we go. Here's the inside. It says, have a happy, silly, sunny, funny Easter. Hop, hop, hop. Happy Easter from John and Dee. Okay, what's in there? Oh, look at that.
Eugene, let's color this. I got this color.
You have to color them.
Hey, I have a color.
Now you got to color them right. Make sure you don't make a mess out of them. What color are you coloring his face?
We're gonna color. And we'll color that pink. No, Eugene, I was gonna color his eyes.
Where's the ball from?
Hi, Anna. Bye, Anna.
No place.
Sammy got it.
Oh,
Look at this.
you eat them. They're candies.
Heart.
Go ahead, try one.
Like they're hard?
Yeah, go ahead and eat them. Give Sammy one. Go ahead, Sammy. Oh, do you like those hearts?
So what are you going to endeavor to do now?
Well, I think I'll take one of those hearts, too.
Now you're talking circus. The circus is a notion.
What does it say? It says, ooh. I love those hearts.
I know those.
How's it going, Sam? Show the camera what you painted.
I see a dinosaur.
Yes. The truth is, I'm stuck. I'm stuck dinosaur. But, no.
Do you like that?
Oh, I started.
What?
A long time ago.
Sammy's coloring. Sammy's coloring. Thank you. I'll hold it.
And I was.
Okay, go ahead, Sam. Finish coloring. Show John the camera what color you did. Okay, what did you do? What did you paint? What color is that? And what did you paint? His nose?
His nose and his eyes.
Do you like that little bunny you're coloring?